Student, today's our lecture is classification of sheep and goat breeds. Classification and study of sheep and goat breeds. In that, first we study the classification of sheep breeds. In that classification of sheep breeds in India, total number of sheep breeds is a 40. Is one mark question asking for the midterm examination, also for the theory and practical and examination for 1 marks. Total number of sheep breeds present in India is a 40, and total number of goat breed present in India is a 20. Sheep breed is a 40 and goat breed is a 20. In classification of sheep breeds, classification of sheep breed, there are two types of the classification. First is the classification according to the agroclimatic regions, and second is according to the purpose, according to the functions. In that classification, first classification according to the agroclimatic region. Here has a 4 region. In that first region is a northwestern arid and semi-arid region. Northwestern arid and semi-arid region. In that, near about 12 breeds are come under this region. First breed is Chokla, found in Rajasthan. Nili, found in Rajasthan and Haryana state. Marwari, found in Rajasthan. Jaisalmeri, found in Rajasthan. Pugal, found in Rajasthan. Malpura, also found in Rajasthan. Sonadi is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Patanwadi, also found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Muzaffarnagar is a famous sheep breed found in Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Haryana. Joloni, found in Uttar Pradesh. Hisardale, found in Uttar Pradesh, and Magra is found in Rajasthan. These are the important breeds found in the northwestern arid and semi-arid region. And in that region, Rajasthan, Haryana, some part of Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat states come under this region, and these different sheep breeds found in this region. Second region is a northern temperate region. नॉर्दर्न टेम्परेट रिजन, उत्तरेकडचा असणारा थंड प्रदेश, त्यामध्ये आढळणाऱ्या sheep breeds. In that first is गड्डी. गड्डी sheep breed found in Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Rampur Busher, found in Himachal Pradesh and northern part of the Uttar Pradesh. Bakarwal is a no district home. Exact location त्याचं माहीत नाही. Karna, found in Kashmir. Gurez, Kashmir Merino, Changthangi and Ponchi, found in the Jammu Kashmir state. Third region, agroclimatic region, is a southern region. In that southern region, Maharashtra and all the southern states come under the southern region. In that, sheep breed is a Deccani. Deccani is sheep breed found in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Nellore, found in Andhra Pradesh. Bellari, sheep breed found in Karnataka. Hassan, found in Karnataka. Mandya, sheep breed found in Karnataka. Mekri, found in Tamil Nadu. Kalkasar, found in Tamil Nadu. Vembur, found in Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore, found in Kerala. Nilgiri, sheep breed found in Tamil Nadu. Ramanand White, Madras Red, Turkey Black, these sheep breeds found in also Tamil Nadu state. And Kenguri, sheep breed found in Karnataka. That means the only one sheep breeds found in Maharashtra. Only one sheep breed found in Maharashtra. Those name is Deccani. Deccani is found in Maharashtra state, also in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Next region is eastern region. In that eastern region, Chota Nagpuri sheep breed found in Bihar and West Bengal. Balanagar found in Orissa. Ganjam found in Orissa. Tibetan sheep found in Arunachal Pradesh. Bonpala is a sheep breed found in Sikkim, and Shahabadi sheep breed found in Bihar. Means eastern region Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, Arunachal Pradesh. These states come under the eastern region, and that eastern region 6 sheep breeds are found. Chota Nagpuri found in Bihar, Balanagar found in Orissa, Ganjam found in Orissa, Tibetan sheep found in Arunachal Pradesh, Bonpala sheep breed found in Sikkim, Shahabadi is found in Bihar. These are the classification of sheep breed according to the agroclimatic region. In your examination, its origin, sheep and its origin is asking for the 1 mark for the objective purpose for the theory, practical and midterm examination. Second classification of sheep breed according to the purpose or according to the function. First is the garment wool production purpose, second is the meat wool or carpet wool production purpose, and third is meat purpose. Means the first we see the garment wool production purpose. Garment means the preparation of the winter cloths. Some smooth cloths are prepared by using the wool, and these garment wool producing sheep breeds are Kashmir Merino, Nilgiri, Karna and Hisar Dale. These are the 4 sheep breeds are used for the garment wool production purpose. Which are these garment wool production purpose? First is the Kashmir Merino, found in northern region, northern temperate region. Nilgiri is found in southern region. Karna and Hisar Dale is also found in northern region. Karna and Hisar Dale. नेक्स्ट इज द मीट अँड कार्पेट वूल प्रोडक्शन पर्पज. मांसासाठी आणि खरबरीत लोकरीसाठी वापरली जाणारी मेंढीच्या जाती. मीट अँड कार्पेट वूल प्रोडक्शन पर्पज, दॅट मीन्स द ड्युअल पर्पज, मीट ॲज वेल ॲज वूल पर्पज. मुझफ्फरनगरी, जलोनी, सोनाडी, डेक्कनी, बेल्लारी, गंजम, बालानगर, शहाबादी, छोटा नागपुरी, कोयम्बतूर, Marwari, Jaisalmeri, Pugal, Malpura and Bonpala. These are the sheep are used for the dual purpose, that means the meat as well as carpet wool production purpose. Muzaffarnagar, Jaloni, Sonadi, Deccani, Bellary, Ganjam, Balanagar, Shahabadi, Chota Nagpuri, Coimbatore, Marwari, Jaisalmeri, Pugal, Malpura and Bonpala. Next is a meat purpose sheep breed, and these are famous for the only for the meat, and wool production is a very low obtained from that sheep breeds. And meat production purpose sheep breeds are Nellore, Mandya, Hassan, Mekri, Kalkasar, Vembur, Ramanand White, Madras Red, Turkey Black and Kanguri. These are sheep are used for the meat production purpose. Some exotic breeds of the sheep. Merino is a world famous sheep breed for the fine wool production purpose, and this Merino is found in Spain. Rambouillet found in France. Southdown sheep breed found in England. Lincoln sheep breed found in England. Leicester sheep breed found in British. Carradale found in New Zealand, and this Carradale is a crossbreed of the Merino, Lincoln and Leicester. And Karkul is a sheep breed found in Central and Western Asia. These are the some exotic breeds. Now we study the different breeds or important breeds in India. In that, first is Deccani. Deccan is a sheep breed particularly found in the Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Study of the sheep breeds. In that study of the sheep breeds, its origin, physical characters and economic characters of that particular breed is asking for the 2 to 4 marks in the practical or midterm or theory and examination. Deccani origin is Maharashtra. Only one sea breed found in Maharashtra. Those name is Deccani. Found in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Physical character of the Deccani body is small and hardy. Color is white or black or grey. Roman nose means fish-shaped nose. Ram or horn. Ram means adult male of sheep is known as ram. Ram or horn. बकऱ्याला शिंगे असतात. But ewes are polled. Polled means hornless. शिंग नसतात. Ewes means female. Adult female of sheep is known as ewes. Ears are small and dropping. Ram weight is 35 to 40 kg and ewe weight is 25 to 30 kg. Physical characters or economic characters of the Deccan is mainly rare for the meat production purpose. Dressing percentage is a good 30 to 40%. Dressing percentage means the carcass weight divided by the live weight into 100. Carcass weight means dead animal body weight. By removing the unconsumable parts from the sheep body, and this is known as the carcass, divided by the live weight. Live weight means the weight of that animals into 100 is equal to dressing percentage. And annual wool yield is very less. Annually, yearly wool yield is 0.5 kg. Means the only half kg of the wool is obtained from the Deccani. Deccan is rare for the meat production purpose, whose dressing percentage is very good 30 to 40%. Next breed is a Bikaneri. Bikaneri has a different strains, Chokla, Magra, Neli, and this Bikaneri is found in Rajasthan state. Bikaner is a district of the Rajasthan state, and this Bikaneri physical characters are white with grey color or red spot on legs, thighs, and hips. Roman nose. Ewes and rams are polled. Both the male and females are polled. Short tubular ears. Ram weight is 40 kg, ewe weight is 30 kg. And economic character of the Bikaneri is produced for the best quality wool and shorn twice a year with 1.5 to 2 kg wool per year. शॉर्न ट्वाईस म्हणजे वर्षातून 2दा लोकर कट केली जाते आणि वर्षातून आपल्याला 1.5 ते 2 किलो लोकर मिळते. स्टेपल लेंथ ऑफ द बिकानेरी इज ऑल्सो गुड 3 to 5 सेंटीमीटर. ट्विनिंग इज कॉमन इन दिस ब्रीड्स. ट्विनिंग 2 पिल्ले जन्माला देण्याचं प्रमाण मात्र जास्त आहे, कॉमन आहे. नेक्स्ट ब्रीड इज मारवारी. मारवारी इज ऑल्सो फाउंड इन राजस्थान, जोधपुर, जयपुर. In Marwari, color is white with a black face. Marwari, typical character of the Marwari sheep breed is a white colored body but face is a black. चेहराच फक्त कानापर्यंत मात्र तोंड काळं असतं, मात्र बॉडी पूर्ण व्हाईट. दिस इज मारवारी ब्रीड ऑफ sheep. Face is long and narrow with short ears. Rams and ewes are polled. Ram weight is 35 to 40 kg, ewe weight is 30 to 35 kg. And economic characters of the Marwari is produces the coarse types of the wool. Coarse means the carpet wool production purpose. Sheep breed. Wool is white in color. Wool yield is 1 to 2 kg per year. Wool is used for the carpet and preparation of the blankets. Next sheep breed is Bannur. Also it is known as Bannur sheep breed found in Mandya district of the Karnataka. Mandya district of the Karnataka state. Bannur is a white colored with a brown head and neck. Bannur is a white colored body but brown colored head and neck. Short tassels under the neck. Short tassels म्हणजे कोंबड्याला जसे गळ्याच्या खाली 2 वॅटल्स असतात, तशा पद्धतीचे 2 फिंगर लाईक प्रोजेक्शन असतात, त्या म्हणजेच टेसल्स अंडर द नेक. Ram and ewes are polled. Both the male and females are hornless. Ears are long, leafy and dropping. Ram weight is 50 to 60 kg and ewe weight is 35 to 40 kg. And Bannur is best for the mutton production purpose sheep breed. Dressing percent is 55% and there is no wool. Bannur sheep breed cannot produce wool. Bannur is reared for the mutton production purpose. Dressing percentage of the Bannur is 55. Next sheep breed is a Gaddi. Gaddi sheep breed is found in Jammu Kashmir, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, that means the northern temperate region sheep breed. And physical character of the Gaddi is a white color with better wool. Breed is sturdy and suited for the climbing of the hills. Gaddi sheep breed is found in Jammu Kashmir and these are sturdy and suited for the climbing the hills. उंच टेकडेवरती जाण्यासाठी किंवा राहण्यासाठी अतिशय काटक असणारी शी ब्रीड इज अ गड्डी. रॅम आर हॉर्न, यूज आर पोल्ड. रॅम वेट इज 40 to 50 kg, यू वेट इज 25 to 30 kg. Economic character of the Gaddi is a wool production purpose sheep breed. 1 to 1.5 kg wool is obtained per year. Undercoat is used for the manufacturing of high quality shawls and blankets. Gaddi is a fine wool producing sheep breed and wool production of the Gaddi is 1 to 1.5 kg per year and undercoat of the wool is used for the manufacturing of the high quality shawls and blankets. Next sheep breed is Rambouillet. Rambouillet is found in France and this Rambouillet is the exotic sheep breed. Strong spiral horns is a typical character of the Rambouillet. Point and pointed backward horns. Rams are horned, ewes are polled. Ram weight is 70 to 80 kg, ewe weight is 67 to 70 kg. Rambouillet is wool producing sheep breed, produces the 8 to 10 kg of wool. Wool yield from ewes is 6 to 8 kg and it has a good mutton quality and give the top quality of the lambs. Lambs means the young one of sheep is known as lambs. Wool production खूप चांगला आहे. 8 to 10 kg in males and 6 to 8 kg from females and mutton quality is also good and top quality lambs are obtained from the Rambouillet sheep breed. This is Rambouillet sheep breed found in France. Next is the Merino. Merino sheep breed found in Spain. Merino sheep breed found in Spain and physical character of the Merino head is medium in size, ears are small, ram are horn, ewes are polled. Ram weight is 40 to 50 kg, ewe weight is 25 to 30 kg. Merino is the finest wool type of animal and produces the 12 to 15 kg wool production obtained from ram and 6 to 10 kg wool is obtained from females ewes and greasy and wrinkled yield is obtained from the Merino. Merino is famous for the wool production purpose. Merino is the highest wool producing sheep breed in the world and origin of the Merino is Spain and wool yield obtained from Merino is 12 to 15 kg from male and from female Merino ewes produces the 6 to 10 kg of the wool. Next sheep breed is Southdown. Southdown sheep breed is found in England. Southdown sheep breed found in England. Physical character of the Southdown sheep breed is small in size with a short height but a long body. Short height but a long body. उंचीनं कमी परंतु लांब असणारी sheep breed. Head is round. Both rams and ewes are polled. Both male and females are hornless. शिंग नसतातच. Face is white or light brown. Ram weight is 80 kg. Ewe weight is 55 kg. Southdown is economic characters. It has an excellent mutton quality. Dressing percentage is also good, 55%. Wool is short and fine. Wool yield is 2 to 3 kg per year. This is the economic character of the Southdown sheep breed. Southdown is found in England, and wool yield obtained from the Southdown is 2 to 3 kg. Next is the Karkul. Karkul sheep breed is found in the Central and Western Asia. Found in Central and Western Asia. Physical character of the Karkul is a medium size, shallow body with small head. Medium size, shallow body with small head. Rams are horned, ewes are polled. Face is long and narrow with Roman nose. Ears are long and dropping. Ears are long and dropping. कान लांब आणि खाली झुकलेले कान. Black in color or in brown in color. Neck and legs are long. It legs sparing in ribs and narrow, long top. Ram weight is 80 kg, ewe weight is 55 kg. Means same of the Southdown sheep breed. Economic characters of the Karkul. Karkul is famous for the pelt and skin production purpose. Used for the brush and other fashionable leather material is prepared from the Karkul sheep. Wool is long, and wool obtained from Karkul sheep is 2 to 4 kg per year. Karkul is famous for pelt and skin production purpose. Karkul is famous for pelt and skin. Pelt means leather, undercoat of the body, and this is famous for the preparation of the leather materials or valuable leather products. And this is world famous sheep breed for the Karkul is world famous breed for the pelt production purpose. Next sheep breed is a Cardedale. Cardedale is a cross between the Lincoln Merino and Leicester. Lincoln Merino and Leicester. And this Cardedale sheep breed found in New Zealand and Australia. Physical character of the Cardedale: large in size, white face, black and brown hairs over the legs and face. Breeds has a early maturity. Ewes have a puberty within 6 to 8 months. Ewes have a puberty within 6 to 8 months. Puberty means male and female sexually become mature. Means the females come in the heat period earlier within the 6 to 8 months. Otherwise, other sheep breeds require the 12 to 15 months for the first heat period, but Cardedale has required the only 6 to 8 months. Rams are horned, ewes are polled. Ram weight is 110 to 120 kg and ewe weight is 40 to 45 kg. This Cardedale is a dual purpose sheep breed with a long wool production. Wool yield is 4 to 6 kg per year. Excellent meat conformation, also rice for the mutton production purpose, and twinning is common in the Cardedale. These are the different sheep breeds, important sheep breeds in India and also important sheep breeds in the world. This is the study and classification of sheep breed. Today we stop here. Our next lecture on the study and classification of goat breeds. Today we stop here. Thank you.